Picture this: artificial intelligence that doesn't just mimic human thought, but delves into the mystical world of psychic phenomena. Intrigued? Buckle up for a riveting journey where the tangible meets the intangible, the logical collides with the mystical, at the junction of AI and psychic phenomena. This is no distant dream. More and more minds are venturing into this enthralling intersection, exploring the coalescence of these two diverse realms. Could our algorithms be the key to decoding the enigmas of the paranormal? Imagine the profound implications for our grasp on consciousness and our technological prowess. Prepare for and dive into the intriguing expanse of science, technology, and the ethereal unknown. Fasten your seatbelts, folks. We're about to plunge into the unexplored. Artificial intelligence has been making its mark in various fields. But did you know it's also being used in paranormal research? That's right. AI is not just for self-driving cars or predicting stock markets anymore. It's creeping into the shadowy domain of the supernatural, and the results are nothing short of fascinating. There are numerous real-life case studies of AI algorithms being employed in paranormal research. For instance, AI is used to analyze vast amounts of data collected during investigations, spotting patterns and anomalies that the human eye might easily overlook. Imagine recording hours of video footage in a reputedly haunted location. It would be a Herculean task for humans to scrutinize every second of that footage. But for an AI algorithm, it's just another day at the office. AI isn't just a passive participant in these investigations either. In some cases, it's being used to actively interact with potential entities. For instance, AI chatbots are used in an attempt to communicate with spirits. While this might sound like the plot of a science fiction novel, it's actually happening in the field of paranormal research. One particularly intriguing case involves a paranormal investigator using AI to analyze EVP, or electronic voice phenomenon recordings. EVPs are sounds found on electronic recordings that some researchers interpret as spirit voices. Traditionally, interpreting these sounds has been highly subjective, and skeptics often dismiss them as mere audio pareidolia, a psychological phenomenon where the listener hears familiar patterns where none exist. Enter AI. Using machine learning algorithms, this paranormal investigator was able to analyze thousands of EVP recordings, extracting patterns and potentially meaningful data. While the findings are still open to interpretation, the use of AI in this context offers a more objective method of analysis, providing a fresh perspective in a field often shrouded in mystery and controversy. Indeed, AI is playing a pivotal role in pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the paranormal. Artificial intelligence is not just limited to the realm of the scientific, it's also venturing into the mystical world of magic. You might be surprised to learn about the fascinating convergence of AI and magical practices. As we delve deeper into this extraordinary domain, we find a breed of modern sorcerers, the techno-mages, who are harnessing the power of AI to enhance their rituals and spells. These techno-mages are using artificial intelligence to predict patterns in their magical practices. Just like how AI is used to anticipate weather patterns or stock market trends, it's now being used to discern patterns in magical practices. This involves analyzing historical and contemporary data of rituals, spells, and outcomes, and using these patterns to predict future results. Imagine a spell that's been cast thousands of times across centuries. An AI system can analyze all the instances of this spell being cast, taking into account the phase of the moon, the alignment of the planets, the ingredients used, and the words spoken. By recognizing patterns in this data, the AI can help the mage determine the best time to cast the spell for maximum effect. Moreover, AI is also being employed to aid in the creation of personalized spells. Based on an individual's unique energetic makeup, AI can suggest specific magical practices, rituals, or spells that may be most effective for them. This is akin to how AI is used in personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. In essence, AI is becoming a tool in the magical toolkit, providing a unique blend of ancient knowledge and modern technology. It's like having a digital Merlin by your side, helping you navigate the complex world of spellcasting and magical practices. Clearly, the line between technology and magic is blurring more than ever before. As Arthur C. Clarke once said, any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. Perhaps AI is the advanced technology that's making magic more accessible, more precise, and more powerful than ever before. So, what does the future hold for artificial intelligence and psychic phenomena? As we continue to advance technologically, the intersection of AI and psychic phenomena will likely become more pronounced. Imagine an AI that doesn't just analyze data but also intuitively understands patterns and makes predictions in ways humans can't comprehend. This could revolutionize fields like paranormal research and magical practices, taking them to new, unexplored heights. But the question remains, can a machine truly develop psychic abilities? Could it sense and interpret energies or unseen forces? While the jury is still out, it's not entirely implausible. With the rapid pace of AI development, who knows what's possible? We might even see AI systems that can simulate psychic readings using immense data analysis capabilities to predict personal outcomes with uncanny accuracy. Imagine an AI-powered tarot reader or an algorithmic medium connecting us with the unseen. The future of AI and psychic phenomena is not only exciting but also full of infinite possibilities. We've just scratched the surface of this fascinating intersection of AI and psychic phenomena. We journeyed together through the dark alleys of paranormal research, witnessing how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we perceive and study the unknown. We've seen how AI algorithms are being harnessed in magical practices, bridging the gap between the tangible and the ethereal. We've also dared to glimpse into the future, where AI and psychic phenomena might intertwine more closely than ever, leading us to discoveries that could shake the very fabric of our reality. It's clear that the exploration of this unusual confluence is not just important but essential. The paranormal, the magical, the inexplicable, all are waiting to be discovered, understood, and perhaps even harnessed. But we can only do it together, diving deeper into the mysteries of the universe. Don't miss out on more intriguing content on similar topics. Subscribe to our channel and dive deeper into the mysteries of the universe with us.